Hello, and welcome to Holistic RI, a wellness collaborative dedicated to root cause healing for the mind, body, and soul. Please note the following disclaimer and stay tuned at the end for full details.
Join Keryn in discussing the Clean Living series, where she talks about how to make easy swaps in everyday life.
When we talk about healthy living, we're thinking about movement, eating healthy, and stress reduction. But when we go into the realm of clean living, we are bringing awareness to toxin exposure in our daily lives, and also how we can defend our bodies against the things that we can't control. So I know toxins, when we throw that word out, it can have a lot of weight. A lot of people think about toxins and they get a little bit stressed. You know, there's toxins everywhere. Toxins are in everything. Everything causes cancer. You know, there's a lot of hubbub about that. And we designed this class to create simple strategies for people to bring awareness around things you can control in your daily lives, just simple things that you can change, things that you may not have even thought about before. And so that's the purpose of this class.
Next, we chat about how you can support your body's natural detoxification pathways.
Also, besides learning about the toxin exposure and how to make swaps, simple swaps, we're also talking about how to prepare your body to defend against the toxins you can't control by allowing your lymphatic system to work properly. Simple ways that you can make sure that you're living your healthiest self, letting your body do what it's made to do.
Thank you for joining Holistic RI. Our mission is to improve the health of our community through education and holistic personalized care. Lead with your heart and listen to your gut. Our full disclaimer is as follows. This video is for educational purposes only. The content, information, and opinions shared in this video are for educational and informational purposes only. They do not substitute professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. They are not intended as a substitute for any of the above. Professional consultation. Please always seek the advice of your medical professional with any questions you may have regarding a medical condition or before starting any new diet, exercise, supplement, or wellness regimen. This video does not offer medical advice and is not intended to diagnose, treat, or prevent any disease. Do not disregard professional medical advice or delay seeking it because of something you have watched or read here. Individual results may vary. Any testimonials or examples of results are based on individual experiences and may or may not be typical. Results are not guaranteed and will vary from person to person. By watching this video, you acknowledge you are responsible for your own health decisions.